Some campaigners claim that fracking leads to water contamination.
That is not the case. This film explains the facts.
Is it true that there have been big problems with water contamination in America?
In the US, more than 1 million wells have been fracked. There have been some cases where water has been contaminated. INEOS has studied these cases to ensure we do things differently in this country.
So fracking can cause water contamination?
Actually, no. Fracking is just one small part of the shale gas production process. A typical well will produce gas for 20 years, but fracking lasts only about a week. It opens tiny cracks in the shale rock, just a few millimeters wide. This happens way underground, between 1 and 5 kilometers down. The fractures don't reach water supplies, which are close to ground level.
So what has caused water contamination in the US?
Some cases of contamination have been caused by faulty well construction. In the US, some companies have not used adequate lining, with perhaps only one layer of steel. INEOS will use up to 4 layers of steel pipes, cemented one inside the other. Also, some US companies have reused old wells. INEOS will only use brand new wells drilled to modern standards. In fact, all INEOS wells will have to pass multiple levels of UK regulation, enforced by the Health and Safety Executive, Independent Well Inspection, the Department of Energy and Climate Change, Local Council Planning Consent, and the Environment Agency. We will only be able to drill a well when all of these regulators are happy that the design is safe.
I've seen pictures of wastewater in ponds. Will INEOS be doing that?
Our wastewater will be stored in closed, double-skinned storage tanks before being recycled. In addition, all of our sites will be protected by impermeable waterproof membranes.
What will INEOS do with the wastewater?
INEOS will ensure all wastewater is cleaned under licence according to strict UK regulations. The Royal Academy of Engineering, the Royal Society, the Health and Safety Executive and the Environment Agency have all concluded that fracking is safe if best practice is used and the monitoring is robust. INEOS is one of the biggest specialist chemical companies in the world. We know how to responsibly recycle and manage waste. For example, at one of our UK sites, regulations are so tight that pouring a single can of Coke into a drain would cause us to breach our water quality commitments. INEOS will carry out shale gas production to the highest safety and environmental standards.